This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put XRP on Ledger Nano X. First, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer or mobile device using the provided USB-C cable or Bluetooth. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application. This essential software helps manage your crypto assets. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to initialize your device and set a secure PIN code, ensuring your device is ready for use. Once Ledger Live is set up, open the application and navigate to the Manager section. Here, you can browse and install various cryptocurrency applications. Search for XRP in the app catalog and click Install. Your Ledger Nano X will prompt you to confirm the installation directly on the device. This step is crucial for enabling XRP support on your hardware wallet. With the XRP app installed, head over to the Accounts tab within Ledger Live. Click the Add Account button and choose XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Your Ledger Nano X will ask you to open the XRP application on the device itself. Ledger Live will then synchronize with your device to create and display your new XRP account, ready for transactions. To transfer XRP, open your newly created XRP account in Ledger Live and click Receive. This will display your unique XRP receiving address and a destination tag, if required. Copy this address carefully. Now, go to your exchange or other wallet and initiate a transfer of XRP to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.